Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgins here with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today we're looking at a brand new 2024 Cherokee Timberwolf 39CA. Great destination camper, loft that you can see behind me up there, 2 full bathrooms. Let's get started, take a look. Hey guys, watch all the way to the end of the video. I'll show you a clip of the slides in so you can see what you do and don't have access to in travel. Remember, give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. That'll give you a notification every time I put a new camper on, so be the first one to see new floor plans, options, decors. Make sure you hit that bell. Check down the description. I have all your specs, holding tank sizes, and measurements. And remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, you got 3 entry doors here. The front door goes into the bedroom. Your middle main door is the sliding glass door that comes into your living area. And then you've got a door in the back, and that's where we're gonna start. You got a door directly into a bathroom. So if everybody's outside, they can come directly in here instead of running through your camper. You got a side exhaust fan, tub shower, plenty of room around that foot flush toilet, sink, good storage, medicine cabinet, and storage under the sink. Moving into the bedroom area here, you've got a sofa that drops down, jackknife like so, storage over top, spot for a TV, storage down low and up high, AC ducts, windows that open with blinds. You got a fire escape window that opens, heat duct, step moving up into the living area. Your main slide here has got sofa, dinette, your kitchen, your stairs go up to the loft area, which has got 2 beds, each with charging area, lights, AC duct, little storage areas throughout, storage bins. Nice room up here too. I can sit up here and climb, and I can sit upright, so no problem there. Being able to sit up here and hang out. You can double up these mattresses. You can add egg crate, memory foam. Pretty easy getting up and down. Nice railing as well. In here you've got your speakers, ducted AC, pantry, good storage down low, refrigerator, freezer, large oven, 3-burner range that acts as your splash guard over that range. You got an exhaust, does exhaust outside with a light. Nice height for the microwave. Nice textured look on the front. Large stainless steel sink. You got cutting board. You got strainer, cup washer. Nice setup there. Storage down low. Under the oven, you got some storage drawers as well. The dinette does drop down to make a bed. Got drawers underneath. Linoleum throughout, easy to keep clean. Your main window's open and you got the zebra roller shades throughout. Fire escape window as well here. Again, you can black it out or let some light in. You got some options. Charging, lights, trifold sleeper sofa opens up. We'll take a look at that. Everybody knows how to set up the trifold sleeper sofa, but I wanted you to see how much room you had to get around when it is out. So plenty of room if someone's sleeping. And then again, you still got the storage and pretty easy adjusting these legs. Utilize that Velcro, these cushions to hold them into place. Like so. Again, more windows and tons of storage. Storage under that fireplace, large TV, and overhead storage as well. Ceiling fan. As soon as you come in the main door, your controls for your awning, your slides, check your holding tanks, battery tender, all in one convenient area. Your media receiver, so you can sync your phone to that. And again, linoleum throughout. Sliding glass doors got a curtain. As we head back to the front, your master bathroom. Again, tons of headroom, skylight, windows, max air fan, good storage. Plenty of room in here. Medicine cabinet. Your hallway, you got your thermostat. Again, you've got 2 ACs in the master bedroom where we started. Fuse panels, circuit breakers, battery disconnect. Nice little fireplace there and a spot for a TV. Another ceiling fan. King size bed with storage underneath. There are the stairs and the trash can. The stairs for the sliding glass doors. And then you've got your washer dryer here. Lots of natural light, lots of storage, great family floor plan. Let's work our way outside. Take a look out there. All right, moving to the outside, you see that front window, 2 30-pound LP bottles, spot for 2 batteries. It will come with 1. Rock guard. I got the slides in so we can take a look at everything good, but you do have slide toppers over your slide outs. Your main storage area is under the bed here. Got magnets to hold those up for you. Exhaust for your range. Hot and cold outside shower. We're taking a look at a 50 amp service. Black tank flush. Easy access for winterization. Water. City water hookup. Cable. Convenience light. There's your sewer connection. Nice large windows. Because you got 2 full bathrooms, there's your second black and gray pull valves. You got the Lippert quick drop stabilizer jacks. I got a link to those down below. Spot prepped for the Lippert ladder. Exhaust for that bathroom. Moving around to the campsite, you got 3 entry doors. The back door here is for the bathroom. You got a leash latch here in the back for your pets while you're at the campground. Your other black tank flush. Good storage area here, accessible from the inside. Dual axle. Your on-demand water heater. The exhaust for your range. You've got your sliding glass doors. That set of stairs mounts here. That's under the bed. Large assist handle. Speakers, spot for a TV. Cable hookup. Your LP connection. The front door here we saw goes into the bedroom. Nice glass look doors. Still get screen doors and that thin shade ready for Lippert. There's the access to the bedroom. Your brand new 2024 Forest River Cherokee Timberwolf 39CA. Remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, with the slides in, you got full access to the fridge. No issues getting in the bathroom, your bed. You need to go in the other door. You can get to that bathroom as well. Getting to the loft is tough, but no issues with the fridge or bathrooms.